Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to bring you an in-depth look at the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its release just around the corner, there's a lot of excitement and speculation about what this new flagship phone has to offer. From design tweaks to camera upgrades, let's dive into the details and see what makes the S25 Ultra stand out. Design. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra closely resembles its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, but with some notable improvements. One of the most striking features is the absence of a camera island, maintaining Samsung's sleek and signature design without a protruding module. The S25 Ultra also boasts the thinnest bezels ever seen on a smartphone, even surpassing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This gives the phone a more modern and immersive look. Additionally, the sides of the phone are now flat, offering a more comfortable and secure grip, while the slightly chamfered corners enhance ergonomics. Another significant change is the weight reduction. The S25 Ultra is noticeably lighter than the S24 Ultra, weighing in at just 219 grams. It's also the thinnest S Ultra yet, measuring only 8.2 millimeters thick, making it incredibly sleek and easy to handle. Camera. Next, let's talk about the camera capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. One of the most exciting upgrades is the improved video recording. Samsung has significantly enhanced the video quality, potentially rivaling the iPhone's dominance in this area. This means you can expect clearer, more detailed videos, perfect for capturing those special moments. The ultra-wide camera sensor has also received a major upgrade, jumping from 12 megapixels to an impressive 50 megapixels. This enhancement allows for better zooming and macro shots, giving you more versatility in your photography. However, it's worth noting that the 3x telephoto lens remains unchanged at 10 megapixels. While this might be a bit disappointing for those hoping for higher resolution portrait shots, the overall camera system still offers a robust and versatile experience. Additionally, the increased megapixel count on the ultra-wide camera could enable 8K video recording, taking your video quality to the next level. Other features. Moving on to other features, the S25 Ultra introduces satellite communication, a feature similar to what's found in the Google Pixel 9. This functionality is primarily for emergency use, providing an extra layer of safety when you're in remote areas without cellular coverage. Another noteworthy update is the One UI 6.11, which will also be available for existing S24 Ultra owners. This update brings a host of new features and improvements, ensuring that even older models benefit from the latest advancements. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra brings several exciting improvements and features. From its sleek design and enhanced camera capabilities to the addition of satellite communication, there's a lot to look forward to. We can't wait to see how these changes enhance the user experience. Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.